Hi everyone, welcome back to Master English Channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Today we're going to talk about something you experience in real life all the time. Shopping conversations in English.
And honestly, this is one of those situations where people know some English words, but when they actually go shopping, their mind just goes blank.
Yes, exactly. You know the word price, you know buy, but when someone speaks to you in a shop, suddenly everything disappears from your mind.
So today we're fixing that. We'll take real shopping situations step by step so you can actually use English confidently in stores, malls, and markets.
Let's start from the beginning. You enter a shop. What do you say?
Many learners either stay silent or just smile awkwardly. But in real English, you need a simple opening line.
You can say, I'm just looking around. Or, hi, I'm looking for something casual. Very simple, very natural. No complicated grammar needed.
Now, Daniel, what if the shopkeeper asks you, can I help you?
Good question. You can respond in different ways depending on your situation. If you need help, say, yes, please. I'm looking for a shirt in medium size. If you don't need help, say, no, thank you. I'm just looking around.
Perfect. Now, let's go deeper. Imagine you see something you like. How do you ask about it?
You can say, how much is this? Or more politely, could you tell me the price of this item, please? A lot of learners just point and say, this how much? That's not natural English. You need complete phrases.
Yes, small sentences make a big difference. Now, let's say the price is higher than expected.
This is where real conversation starts. You don't just walk away silently. You can say, oh, that's a bit expensive for me. Or, do you have something more affordable? This shows confidence. You are not afraid to express your budget.
Let's do a quick practice for our listeners. If you enter a shop, what will you say?
Try saying, I'm just looking around.
And if you need help?
Say, could you help me find this in a different size?
Great! Now, Daniel, let's talk about comparing items. This is very common in shopping.
Yes. For example, you see two shirts and you are confused. Instead of guessing, you ask. You can say, what's the difference between these two? Or, which one do you recommend? This is powerful English because it shows interaction, not just words.
And many learners forget this part. They think speaking English is just answering, but actually, it's asking questions too.
Exactly. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this episode, please subscribe to Master English Channel, like this video, and comment where you are watching from. Your support really helps us grow. Thank you, everyone. Let's continue.
Now, Daniel, we've selected something. What happens next? Payment time.
Yes, another important part. You can say, can I pay by card? Or do you accept cash? Very simple English, but extremely useful in real life.
And what about asking for a discount? Many people are shy to ask.
True. You can politely say, is there any discount on this? Or can you offer a better price? It's normal in many places. You just need to ask politely.
Now, let's talk about a real mistake learners make.
Go ahead.
They try to translate their language directly into English, and then the sentence becomes confusing.
Yes, that's a big problem. For example, instead of saying a simple sentence like, I'm looking for a jacket, they try to build long, complicated sentences and get stuck. Simple English is powerful. Short sentences are correct sentences.
Now, let's continue the situation. You buy something, and the shopkeeper gives you the bill.
You can say, can I get a receipt, please? Or, thank you. And when leaving, have a nice day.
Small phrases, but they make your English sound natural and polite.
Exactly. Fluency is not about big words. It's about natural flow.
Daniel, final question. What's the biggest mindset change someone needs for shopping English?
Stop trying to be perfect. People think they need perfect grammar before speaking. That's wrong. You only need enough English to communicate. Even if your sentence is simple, if the other person understands you, you have succeeded. That's powerful. And remember, every time you speak in real life, you improve. Every mistake is progress, not failure. Beautiful. thank you everyone for listening to Master English Channel. Keep practicing, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next episode. Take care, everyone.